Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to design the Lego man head just like the one seen here. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to go ahead and close out my data panel and we're going to start a new design. Let's go ahead and start a sketch here on our XY plane. First thing we need to do, because just in case you want to 3D print this guy, we're going to change our units here to millimeters. Okay, so we're going to go to millimeters and select OK. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and draw like sort of this imaginary line that represents a line that goes straight down through the center of the Lego man head, and we want this line to be 11.5 millimeters. I'm going to zoom in so we can see it better. Okay, and then now I'm just going to kind of start drawing out some more lines, and what I'm going to do, imagine we could slice through the Lego man head and we could see the inside of it. So we're going to sort of draw the half portion of the head so we can center revolve it. So I'm going to go ahead and draw out a line here, right over here, that is 3.15 millimeters. Okay, I'm going to come over here, draw one up, that's roughly, about a millimeter or so. Okay, and then I'm going to draw one, and actually now I'm going to go ahead and grab my arc tool, my 3-point arc. I'm going to click here, and it's kind of somewhere over here. I'm going to click again, and I'm going to just kind of drag out an arc. Try not to add tangent constraints to it yet. We're going to drag out another line. Okay, it's going to be around 5 millimeters or so. And then we're going to drag out or create another 3-point arc. I'm going to click here, somewhere kind of over here. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see better. So don't add a tangent constraint yet. So do something like that. Grab my line tool, and I'm going to close my loop, drag out a line, go up, and I'm going to move my mouse over here so I know I'm at the same height. I'm going to click there and then close my loop. Okay. All right, so now let's go ahead and start adding some dimensions here. So we want this distance right here to be 2.35. Okay, and we want this distance right here to be 1.5. All right, and then we're going to add some dimensions to our arcs. We want that distance to be 2, and this distance to be 2. Okay, same thing down here. 2, and then 2. Okay, and now we're going to add some tangent constraints to our arcs. We're going to click there and click there, click there and click there, click there. Actually, I'm sorry, hit escape, click there and then click there. All right, now hit escape. So our sketch is fully constrained now. Let's go ahead and finish our sketch, and we're going to center revolve this guy. So we're going to come on over here to revolve, and we're going to select on the axis we want to revolve it around, and there we go. There's our Lego man head. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to come down here, start a sketch on this bottom surface right here, and we're going to drag out a circle that is 5.1 millimeters in diameter. Okay, finish our sketch, and then we're going to extrude it. We're going to come on over here, we're going to select cut, and we're going to type in a distance of minus 8.6 and select enter or OK. All right, so now we're going to go ahead and sort of repeat this process on the top of the head. So we're going to start a sketch here. Okay, and we're going to project some geometry. I'm going to zoom in. We're going to project that line right there. Select OK. Then we're going to offset it a distance of minus 0.7 inches. Select OK. Finish our sketch. And then we're going to extrude this guy. Okay, a distance of minus 2.2. Make sure it says cut. Select OK. All right, next we're going to do is start a sketch on this surface right here. Okay, and then we're going to grab our construction line here, and we're going to do a construction circle with a diameter of 0.8, and then we're going to do a construction line from here to this edge. Okay, and then we're going to take it out of construction mode, something I always forget to do. Okay, and then we're going to project some geometry here. We're going to click there, select OK. Then we're going to grab our a line tool, and right around in here we're just going to drag a line out to there. Okay, and we're going to dimension it from here to here. We want that distance to be 0.337 inches. Okay, and then we're going to drag out another line Grab our line tool, something like this, and then we're going to dimension it from here to here. We want that distance, that angle, to be 120. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and finish our sketch. Okay, and we're going to extrude this guy. Just make it go all the way through, distance through all, cut, okay. And now we're going to do a center revolve here. So we're going to come to pattern, circular pattern, okay, and we're going to select features. So we can maybe, let's see here, select that guy. We're going to select our axis right there, select OK, and there we go. Okay, looking pretty good. Alright, the last thing we're going to do is start a sketch on this surface right here. We're going to drag out a circle. Whoops, move some stuff around there, but that's okay. We're going to drag out a circle that has a diameter of 0.5 inches. We're going to finish our sketch, and we're going to extrude into this guy a cut once again, okay, a distance of minus 0.2 millimeters. Make sure it says cut, select OK, and there you go. Our head is pretty much done. Okay, but as you know, Lego Man heads, well, you probably know this already. They're yellow, so let's go ahead and modify some things here. Let's give it an appearance. I'm going to go into paint. Let's paint this guy a glossy yellow here. Select close, and then we're going to assign it a material because all Lego parts are made out of ABS plastic. So we're going to go to physical material. Come on down to plastic, and we're going to drag that over there. And our color went away, but that's okay. We can fix that again. Oh, there it is. All right, looks pretty good. There is your Lego Man. Don't forget to save it when you're done. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.